Today I want to have a quick look at preparing a bank statement that's been downloaded. Maybe you're looking to do some work with it on Excel, or maybe upload it into a different software, perhaps VT Transaction. Anyway, I've noticed recently that when downloading some bank statements from some banks, we get this single quotation mark at the beginning of the field. So we get a single quotation mark at the beginning of the field, and it makes it really difficult to start reorganising these and doing some work with them, and even more so when we start to get the details of the card that was used and when it was used. Because when we start to organise these, it will be organised by the date rather than by the company that we used, which we don't really want. So in order to sort this, we're going to use two different functions. We're going to use firstly write, which returns a specific number of characters from the right of the string, and then we're going to use length. So let's look at these two individually. So first let's look at write. So if I want to return 10 characters from the right of a string, then the way I would do that is by using the function equals write, open bracket, select the text that I want to return and the number of characters that I want to return, and that will give us the characters. Now this is fine, but what it would mean is that each individual box we would be counting the number of characters to take away the tick. So we can combine that with length, which gives us the length of a particular string. So if we say equals len, open bracket, and this cell here, it will tell us that there are 23 characters in that. So the way we can take away the tick is by combining the two of them. So if we say equals write, open bracket, this field, and to work out the number of characters, instead of specifying the number of characters, we can use the length function to work out the number of characters. So we say length of this cell less 1, because we don't want the whole cell, we want everything except that first quotation, and that will return these. Now what we can do is we can copy this, and if we paste it here as the value, then it will take away that tick. Now we've still got a bit of a problem. Let's take away this white space here and this white space here. We've still got a bit of a problem in that these figures are still here, so we need to get rid of those. So the way that we'll do that is by sorting this, based on the description column, and then what we'll do, take that out, we're going to do exactly the same for these. So we're going to say equals write this, comma, len of that, comma, but instead of saying -1, because we want to take away all these, so we want to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 characters. So we'll say C4 minus 15. And then we can drag that down. We can copy this and we can paste it as values in there. So this just helps when we're trying to organise data, to be able to take away characters that we don't actually need.